In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trades and connect a broker using TradingView. Before we dive into the details, make sure you're on the TradingView website. TradingView is a powerful tool designed for traders of all levels to help you analyze financial markets and make informed trading decisions. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice various products available to explore. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout, as you can find everything from stocks to cryptocurrencies right from this dashboard. As you navigate, you'll see sections like Community and Market. These areas offer a wealth of resources. The Community section is particularly useful for connecting with other traders, sharing ideas, and learning from their insights. Meanwhile, the Market section provides comprehensive data on different trading symbols. Definitely worth a glance as you start your trading journey here on TradingView. Now, once you're comfortable, let's get into the core task. Spot the plus sign. This is your tool for adding trading symbols to your watch list. You'll find an impressive variety of symbols to choose from, including stocks, funds, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, bonds, economy indicators, and options. The platform is designed to cater to a wide range of trading interests, so there's something for everyone. For this example, let's focus on forex. After selecting Forex, keep an eye out for the plus sign again. This time, click on it to add specific trading pairs to your view. In this instance, we are going with USDJPY, a popular Forex trading pair. Now with that selected, click on it once more to access the full chart view. Here's where the magic happens. In this full chart view, you are presented with a detailed visualization of the chosen trading symbol. Pay close attention to the tools available in this section. You can add indicators to your chart. Indicators are essential for technical analysis, helping you to predict market trends based on historical price patterns. There's also the option to replay past market activity. This feature is particularly helpful when you want to study market movements and test strategies without the pressure of live trading. Alongside replaying market actions, you can further customize your chart by adding lines or Fibonacci retracements. These tools are critical for identifying potential resistance and support levels, which can inform your trading strategies. As you become acclimated to using these functions, remember that practice makes perfect. Take your time exploring each feature and gradually implement them into your trading routine. In subsequent tutorials, we'll delve deeper into connecting your favorite broker, providing you a seamless trading experience through TradingView.